Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on your Samsung Galaxy A14. First, what you guys want to do is go over and check the volume levels in the settings. So first, before going on to the settings, press the volume up button and hold it until you see the entire white bar right here. Now, let me quickly lower the brightness for you. What we're going to do next is we're going to open up the settings, and here in those settings we're going to go over and go to sound and vibration. So here we have it. Now we want to go to volume, and here we want to make sure that our media volume is maxed out. And of course, for the call volume, if you are on a call and you have problems with your speaker, you need to be in an active call in order to do that, because as you guys can see, you cannot change it here. You will be changing the media volume and we don't want it. Next, what we want to do is we want to go back to the settings, and here in those settings, leave the sound and vibration. Now go over to connections and make sure that Bluetooth is disabled. So as you guys can see, my Bluetooth is turned off, and it's because we want to make sure that audio is not rerouted to any other device. It's very important, because if audio is, let's say, routed to, let's say, speakers or headphones, then it's not on your phone, but it's on some external device, and we don't want it. Next, what we want to do is we want to restart our phone. It's a quick fix. This way we will refresh the entire system. And what we can do here is we can press the power button, the volume down button at the same time until we see this menu, tap restart, and tap again to restart the device. Now it's restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. After the restart, we're gonna enter the password. Next, we're gonna wait for our phone to start everything up, and as a last resort, what we're gonna do is check for software updates. So this is very important. If we are running an old software, then it has a lot of glitches. We want to make sure that we update to the latest version. And basically when we update to the latest version, we get rid of everything. So as you guys can see, I even got a notification now from the software update. But where to exactly check it? Let's go over to the settings. Now swipe down until you guys see software update. It's almost at the bottom, and click download and install. Now here, as you guys can see, I have an update right here, but if you don't, then that's good. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.